October's wrapped up, so it's time to share how things went, the good, the bad, and the still trying. Let's start with books. No sales this month, none, but I'm still keeping them out there. From the Floor to Six Figures and the Gratitude Journal, because you never know when a video or post sparks new interest. It's all about staying visible and consistent. Affiliate marketing brought in a grand total of $295. Hey, it's small, but it's proof the system works. Someone clicked, someone bought, and that little bit goes right back into the business. Small wins add up. LegalShield stayed steady, $101 this month. That's my long-time residual income stream, and I'm grateful for it. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, and it keeps reminding me that consistent effort pays off over time. Now the print-on-demand store, t-shirts and mugs, 0 sales this month. Still no traction yet, but I've been focusing on getting all the listings polished, SEO tightened up, and Pinterest pins linking correctly. I see it as groundwork for the future. And the big one, the website flip. So close, but no sale. The auction had watchers, bidders, and real interest, but it didn't hit the reserve. Still, I learned a lot about pricing strategy and timing. That site's ready to relist or develop further. Either way, it's not a loss. It's a setup for the next win. So that's October. Not the month I hoped for in dollars, but a solid month in learning and building. The goal stays the same, $1,000 a month online, and every test, post, and small step gets me closer. If you're on a similar journey, stick with it. We're retired, but we're still trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out theretiredandtrying.com to follow along.